Firstly, you determine the angle of your top view. Then you draw a line from your standing point at that angle towards your picture plane line. At the point where the line meets the picture plane line, you draw a line vertically down towards your horizontal line. That is where you will find your left vanishing point as well as your right vanishing point. Where the drawing touches the picture plane, from there you draw a vertical line down. This line will be your guide line. Where it meets the ground line, draw construction lines towards your left and right vanishing points. Using different levels, use the edges or corners of the top view, drawing lines down in the direction of the standing point up until your picture plane line. Start at the bottom and work your way up. Next, you get the height of the next elevation or level and make a mark on your guideline, drawing construction lines in the direction of the vanishing points. There's 3 questions you should ask yourself constantly. 1. Where are you? 2. Which direction should I draw, towards LVP or RVP? 3. How far should I draw, to be determined by the vertical lines coming down from the picture plane and the top view. As the drawing goes up by another elevation, draw the height line marked on your guideline towards the vanishing point where the height must be determined. Always draw in dark solid lines where the lines will be as determined by the vertical lines where it starts and stops. This will help the drawing to stand out from the rest of the construction lines. Then again the 3 questions. Point 1. Where am I? 2. Which direction, in this case LVP? 3. How far, vertical line from the PP line? One. Where am I? 2. Which direction, using RVP on this instance? 3. How far? Vertical line down. If you struggle to determine which vanishing points to use, just look at the line in the top view. If you take the most bottom point of the line and move up, is it moving up in a right or left direction? If it goes in a left direction, use the LVP. If it goes center right directions, use the RVP. Continue to ask yourself the 3 questions. 1. Where am I? 2. Which direction, using LVP or RVP? 3. How far, to be determined by the line going towards the SP from the specific corner up until your PP and then vertically down. Every time you have a part or a line, draw it in dark and solid and soon you will be done with the complete drawing. Look as I am drawing it step by step and line by line, not biting off more than I can chew. Now moving to the last level or elevation as we are almost done with the drawing. Carrying my height of the nest level over from corner to make sure that it is the correct height.